everyone, I'm Tanya from Build with Innovation, and today we are going to learn about the system settings option that is present in your admin panel. So, this is how your panel looks like, the side menu exactly, if you talk about. So, as you scroll down a bit, you can see the system settings option present in your admin panel. So, you all might be wondering from where to change the phone number of your store, where to change the address. So, all the queries are resolved here in this video in this section. As you click upon this system settings option, you can give the store name, you can give the store phone number, you can change the email ID, you can change the address, you can just mention the city, state, latitude and longitude of the store according to your requirements. There is one default message which is sent to all of your users whosoever logs into your website or application, which is also known as a welcome message. So you can customize that according to your need, whatsoever you want your customers to receive whenever they log in to your website or app. So you can customize that message from here. If you want your customers to comment on the product, you can also allow that. Otherwise, you can also switch it off. If you want your customers to give a comment on the order, you can just write the message for that as well. Just do let us know how you feel about the product, or do let us know your remarks or reviews or whatsoever you wish for. You can change it from here. If your application is published on Play Store as well as App Store, you can give the link for the same over here and here. You can connect your website to different social media platform of yours. You can give the Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, YouTube link, as well as you can connect your website to external platform, which is WhatsApp. You can mention your WhatsApp number as well. From here, you can change the invoice that you can change the logo that will be showcasing in your invoice. If you want some else logo to be visible over there, you can change that. If you want your authorized signatory to be there on the invoice as soon as you print it or as soon as you download it, you can upload it from here. The size of the signatory should be 200 by 200 pixels. You can change the stored information that is visible to the users in from here. You can make your shop inactive. Let's say you are going off for 2 to 3 days and you do not want to receive any orders for that particular time. You can just switch on this option, and you can even write the inactive message for your users. Let's say if you want to say that we are not available for 2 3 days, or we'll see you after 2 3 days, we'll continue receiving orders after 2 3 days, you can do that according to your requirement. If there is an ongoing offer right now, you can just type the message for that particular offer from here, so it will be reflected on your users end as well. And the same way that we have talked about, that you can link your WhatsApp as well. So connect with us on WhatsApp or whatsoever you wish for writing over here, and you can give the platform link from here, which is the WhatsApp link that you might be getting of the chat. So that's it for the system settings. Hope you all understand. See you in the next video.